So I wasn't gonna post anything because it's kind of old. I mean, it's Saturday and this happened Wednesday. But I found out today that, uh, well, hold on. So first of all, um, on Wednesday, Target had so Target's in the news again. This time it's bad. Um, so Target had this thing going over the intercom. It was, I guess, porn audio. And so I was reading something because they told me on Thursday. I heard from work that this Target in Campbell started playing porn audio over the intercom thing, the public address thing. And then, so I kind of read up on it, and I found out that at first, I guess people thought it was a Halloween, like, I don't know, soundtrack or something. But turns out it was porn. And yeah, I was, I was like, how do you confuse something, like a horror screen to porn? Like, seriously? But anyways, um, and I found out today that it was in Campbell on Wednesday. I had happened to be in Campbell on Wednesday, which would have been hilarious if I'd have walked into that Target. I'd have done that right then and there. I'd have done this video right then. But yeah, like how do you confuse freaking like horror, I guess, like something from a horror movie to something from porn? Like the screams are obviously different. Um, what else was I gonna say? That was just hilarious. Um, yeah, but anyway, like if that would have happened at my job, we would be screwed. Cause I think our like music, I guess, is controlled by our home office. So I think the music that comes on is throughout every single store. And of course we have our like thing where we can address, I guess, our customers. But like that thing is extremely complicated. Some associates don't even know how to use it. So I highly doubt customers could do it. But yeah, I'll put the link down at the bottom there, so you guys can be the judge and tell me if I'm wrong or right. How the hell do you confuse porn and horror? Anyways,